Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how to create and maintain a packing list for vacation. When you Google for that, you can find many sample packing lists for different vacations. You can see that here when you start typing, it will show you some packing lists for cruise, Disney, Europe, travel, Hawaii, Costa Rica, whatsoever. But to find some information where to create and maintain it, it's a little bit difficult. When you Google for that, where to maintain a vacation packing list, then it's not showing anything, at least as far as I can see. Maybe when we go down very far, then it will show something, but usually it just shows some sample lists. So when you click on that, it will show a sample list. So for example, here we have a vacation packing list. That's nice as a start. Of course, I wouldn't want to start from scratch, but when you have your list, you want to remove some things and you want to add some things, and then where to do. When you dig a little bit deeper and do more research in the internet, this is usually what they are saying. First, use a physical notebook or planner, use printable template, use mobile apps, maybe specifically designed for that, use Notes app or MemoPad, use online productivity tools, Google Docs, Evernote, use email cloud storage, but none of them are actually mentioning the thing which works the best for me. What I've done in the past was to maintain a Word document. Of course, it's very easy to add and delete some stuff, but every time when I was preparing for the vacation, I had to print it. It was about 10 pages in the meantime, because it has also a lot of stuff which I have to do, like as a preparation, like activating the alarm system and other stuff. So it's accumulating over time, and I had my perfect list, but not in the perfect place. And just lately I've been thinking about what I could do, and I've found now the best place where to do that, and that's the Google Task. And the really good thing is that there's an app on, like, for Android, also for iOS, and you can use it also online, for example, on the calendar and also in the Gmail. So you just need a Google account, and then you can do it when you go to mail.google.com or calendar.google.com, and then you see all your tasks. What's also good is that you can use Google Assistant. So you can ask Google Assistant to add or remove some task, or to set some task as finished. So how does it work in Gmail? On the right side, we have the Google Tasks. We click on that, and when we click here, we can create a new list. So if you don't have already your vacation packing list, then you can create a new one here, give it a name, and then you have it. So here I have it already. And so for example, I want to add some things from this list here, from this website. I just copy them, and then I go back and click here to add tasks. And now I can just hit Control and V, and it will add all of them here. I think the last one we have to confirm with a return, but that's it. You can see we have all of them here. Sometimes it gives you a warning that there are a lot, and the limit, as far as I know, are 100 tasks. So if you have a sample list which you want to copy from a website with 200 items, you have to do it in 2 separate tasks. So copy the first 100, and then after that copy the second 100 tasks. But you can see you have a lot, and then you are prepared. And so when the day has arrived, maybe one day before the vacation, you start collecting all the stuff, and then you can open the website, or you can use the Google Tasks on your phone, which is much easier, of course, because you're always carrying it around, usually in your pocket, and then you can do exactly the same thing as I do here. I'm just showing this on the PC, but you have exactly the same options. You have even a couple of more options if you want to rename a task list, or if you want to delete a task list, then you can do that, as far as I know, only in these apps, but everything else you can do also here on the website of Gmail or in the calendar. So when we have collected something, we click on that. Yeah, we have deodorant, we have this shampoo, we have this and this and this. And you can see this is really nice because it's shrinking and shrinking and shrinking. And you see then at the very end only the things which are left to do or to collect or whatsoever. So this is much easier than at the very end to have a really nice overview than having a large list and doing your notes with a pen or so, or having to strike out things on a large 10-page list or so. This is absolutely awesome. And I've done this now 2 times. And it works really good. The question is then only, what are you doing for the next vacation? Till now, what I've done is to maintain the list actually in a separate document and then copy everything here. But for the first time, I have it now done differently. I left this here. So when it's finished, and it should be close, nothing left when you're leaving the home, of course, something like that. Yeah, here we have some things which we could delete. And now everything is in completed tasks. So you have same thing also on the phone. When you click on completed, you see everything again. And what you can do, you can just click here and bring everything back. I think unfortunately there is nothing which would bring back all the completed tasks back to the open tasks. But I mean, as you can see how fast this is, you can stay at the same location and just keep clicking. Yeah, at least more or less. So it takes maybe 2 minutes to bring all the items back, and maybe you see some items which you don't need and then you don't have to bring them back. And so now you're prepared for the next vacation. So this is my recommendation. I haven't found anything better than that, and for me that works really good. But of course, maybe there's something which even works better than that. So if you have found something, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.